This dance is called Lonesome Drinkers. It's a 32 count, 2 all, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot with an extended syncopated vine to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over, step the right to the side again. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, chassé to the left, side close side. That set of steps once more, vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross the left over the right, point the right to the side. Into a jazz box, quarter turn with a step forward at the end. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, quarter turn right, step forward on that left. That set of steps once more, then cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Vine into the right. Right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé. Cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, turn, step. And on a couple of Dorothy steps. So you're going to step forward on that right, lock the left behind, step forward or slightly to the side on the right. Repeat with the left, step, lock, and just stepping slightly to the side on that last step. Cross rock right over left, recover your weight on the left, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on that left. That set of steps once more off on the right, Dorothy steps. 7, 8, step, lock and step, lock and cross, rock, side, lock. Add that to the top. Vine into the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, step. Step, lock and step, lock and cross, rock, side, rock. You're going into a little weave, so you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, into a chase half turn, stepping forward on the right, give it half a turn left, step forward on the right, and then just step forward on the left once more. That set of steps once more, then weaving off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, step. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in this last section. So you're doing that quarter turn at the end of the weave and straight into that chase half turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, start your weave the same as everybody else. Cross, side, behind. Instead of turning a quarter turn left, turn a quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Then instead of your chase half turn, you can just rock back on the right, recover, then step forward on the right, and then just add on that final step forward at the end. So non-turning steps should you need to take that equivalent full turn out, 3/4 turn out in that section. The choreographer has also given you some optional additional turning steps. So we've taken that 3/4 of a turn out as an option, but what you've also got is the possibility of turning those last 2 steps into a full turn. So should you wish, You can weave, cross, side, behind, quarter turn, do your step, pivot half, and then add on a full turn over those next two steps. Half a turn left, stepping back on the right, half a turn left, stepping forward on that left. So the optional turning steps, should you wish to add them in. I will carry on doing the choreographed steps, the chase half turn with that additional step at the end. So it is the end of the dance when you get to that point, so let's put it all together. Vine into the right. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, point, cross, back, turn, step, step, lock and step, lock and cross, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, step. I'll now go through it with the counts. Vine into the right. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your dance, and hopefully it gives you a bit of a feel for the timing. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Vine into the right. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, point, cross, back, turn, step, step, lock and step, lock and cross, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, step, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, point, cross, back, turn, step, step, lock and cross, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, step. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to better music. Side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, step, step, rock, step, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, step, lock, and cross, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, step, lock, and cross, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, step, lock, and step, cross, rock, side, rock, cross, side, behind, turn, step, step, line.
Where I go, and I get this way.
Cross point.
Turbos gold, and the goose is great.
Dorothy.
I get a little buzz, but hell, that's okay.
Weave.
It's all part of my DNA.
Right.
From a low line of lonesome drinkers.
Cross point.
Old school bar stool, jukebox leaders.
Dorothy.
Top sing-along, country song swingers.
Weave.
I can spin you around the floor if you want me to. But baby, don't feel like you got to, 'cause you ain't got want to. Oh, but baby, don't feel like you got to, 'cause you ain't got to. I come from a long line of lonesome drinkers. Lonesome drinkers. Lonesome drinkers. Lonesome drinkers.
Hope you managed that one.